Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. It's like a part 3 or 4 of my valve body build experience. Alright, now I got the reprogramming kit for it now. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Got the billet valve body, RevMax separator plate, Sonex billet accumulator pistons. I have this deal here. I might have someone else put it in for me. TCC valve type deal there, I believe, and that's going to take some drilling, and I don't know if I want to do that. We got a new switch valve in plug. This is the old one. All right, the new Sonex pistons are in there pretty good, so I prematurely took these out. Well, it ain't really like kind of showing you how to do it. The instructions are straightforward. So I'm not recommending, you do this, but if you guys want to get any experience, like I said, hands-on experience is the best. Now, I got a aftermarket accumulator plate for this. And it came with a new one, and there's no washer, no indention like the OEM plate. So, and there's nothing in the instructions to put a washer in there. So I'm going to take that out. And it says put a new spring in there. I think all the big springs are kind of the same. So there is a new one. There's the billet piston. So, all right, this is not really like too much of a how-to. If you want a really good video, I watched this guy Frostbite Ram. I'll leave a link in the description to his video. It looks like here, reuse. So I won't touch this one. Just kind of showing you guys what I got going on. I have a little bit of transmission issues, so it's kind of forced me to play around a little bit. Not gonna spend a bunch of money on this transmission. Truck's almost paid off. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with the whole deal. Still gonna have fun with it. Got some things I gotta figure out though. I'm not rich. New short inner. This I gotta be careful because two springs, they're different. So we're gonna take out this deal here, put it to the side. We got a new big one we're gonna put in there. Now we got these two are different. We got two short ones. I'm gonna be replacing two short ones. So the one that looks tighter, which is this one's gonna go in there. Place it with that. Second, new, easy breezy. It's the only ones left. Okay. Man, reprogramming kit. All right, there's the springs. Supposed to shift better, I guess. Be a much smoother shifting. Let's see here. This valve body might be really good for somebody NA, probably. Most likely, it's not gonna be that good for me still. I think I'm just like way overpowering this transmission. Oh yeah, baby. So we're gonna do the switch valve and in plug. All right, this is your OEM one. Switch valve, in plug. Supposedly the new one, self-cleaning. High tech. Right, there's not much you can't really reinvent the match, that much. And then call it advanced. Let's see here. Trying to do this one hand. I don't have a cameraman. The cameraman is the other hand. All right. I shouldn't be doing it. There we go. In plug. Switch valve. Get over here. Switch valve. This one's got grooves in it, and this one looks shiny. Nice and shiny. Make you feel good about putting it in, and it blows up again. Sha-na-na. Mine didn't even blow up. I don't even know what's wrong with my transmission. I don't even care right now. I'm trying to get another car. Are you gonna fit in there? It does. Bam, that's how that goes. Looks good. Man, this one was kind of shiny too. The old one was shiny. This feels a little lighter. Yep. All right, so I just dropped that and lost it. It's probably not good. So that's about it right there. So I got 2 accumulator plates, I guess I could use. I'm not gonna use the OEM one. I could use this one, drill some more holes. I could use this one, it's just super thick. Don't have to drill more holes. This one's like a galvanized, I don't know, 16 gauge stamped stainless steel plasma. This is done on a plasma table for sure. How do I know? That's what I do for a living. I burn parts on a plasma table. There's the burn right here. This is where it went down actually. That's what I do for a living, guys. Yes, burn stuff on a table, parts, and then turn those parts into functional parts. Hot damn hell yeah. So yeah, putting the valve body together. Show you this deal here and we'll spill everything. If you haven't seen it, if you're new here, it's a D&J billet valve body cover. All right, so I got one more thing, only one last thing to do to this valve body, and it's done and built, is this deal here. All right, and I believe that is gonna be here. Can't really see it. I don't want to flip it around, but I'm pretty sure going in line somewhere around here. Not exactly sure. Not a valve body specialist, but I know how to read instructions, and that's very important. See here, we got instructions right here. Boom. So, solenoid switch. Oh wait, telling me I could use a drill, a damn cordless drill to do this? Huh. Wonder how froggy I feel about this. Some WD-40 and a cordless drill. That drill right there doesn't look too high-tech. I might be able to do this myself. And it looks like it's a guided drill setup. I'll spend a little bit of money on this. Reamer included. I might end up doing this myself. I buy that tool. Maybe I'll do this myself. Huh? Anybody want built valve bodies? Right? $1,200 shipped. It's like I'm going in business right here. If that's all I need right there, I was gonna send this guy off to get the drill pressing going. Maybe I should have opened the instructions up and started reading. See, this is what I got. This is what's in the bag. And that's what it's gotta go in there. See, I might be a little off right here. Here it is. Apologize, I think that deal is here. Ooh, I do not want to screw this up. What I will do real quick so I don't lose everything, so we could take a look where this is at. Oh man, if I could build my own valve bodies in my garage like that, that would be a really good deal. Of course, I got to still do the R&D. No R&D, you know, I got to do testing. You got to do the testing. I'll throw this in my own truck first. Make sure it works. Let me put these screws on here so we can flip this the other way. I didn't know that the tool was kind of a guide assembly itself. That's what it's looking like, and if it is, I am going to purchase the tool and take a look at it. I might go ahead and do this myself. All right, I just want to put this plate on. All right, this is that heavy duty plate. Just gonna put that on real quick so I don't lose my place here. All right, this is cool. Looking at the tool, I should have looked at them instructions earlier. I already had an idea. Oh yeah, buddy. Yep, right there. I believe that's the retainer. Oh, so disappointing. I cut the cameraman off on myself trying to flip this around. But yeah, here we go. All right, so there's the one I misspoke on right there. Apologize if you can't tell what I'm looking at. But that's where it's gotta go. And if I could do that myself, I am going to, right there, yes, that is a retainer I'm going to remove. All right, that retainer is right there, retainer. And then I'll put my new solenoid switch valve. I got 2 of them. And the reason why I got 2 of them, they're different sizes. I'm gonna have to take this one out and measure it. I gotta measure it, and that's gonna tell me which valve I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna drill. So I probably should pull the valve out and measure it, and then order the right tool. And then I'll know from there. Hot damn, let's get, that is gonna be, if I could do that, wow. Wow. Something else. Something else, that ain't a drill press. Yeah. The drill chuck. Oh yeah, I like it. Low speed, we can do that. We can do this. I think I can do this. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this, guys. Yeah, see right there? That's the hole I was talking about right there. Ream clockwise. We can do that. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. What am I gonna do? This is an extra valve body. The extra valve body. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this. This is cool. Alrighty, guys. So we kind of like got billet hardened and beefed up everything here except for that one last deal, the oversized TCC valve. Okay, let's get this deal away. I want it to sit for right now. All right, everything going on except for this oversized deal here. This is going to be awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, yeah, I'm gonna remove that. We'll do another video, see how it goes. And then I wanna get this valve body. And of course, I don't wanna put it in a crappy trans, right? But I'll eventually get it in. If I feel good about my reaming work, it's pretty cool. You'll have the perfect wet tank. Oh yeah, opposite. Oh, yeah. This is awesome. New switch valve provided. That's what we're gonna replace. New solenoid switch plugs, retainers, and spring. Awesome. You gotta get the tools. Our tools, and there are different sizes. This one is the 420 size. See, and yeah, I think this is gonna be a good deal. Not saying, all right, disclaimer, that RFE my RFE transmission is gonna hold and I'm gonna have a bunch of fun with it after this, but the experience is there. Like I'm saying, the NA, this probably be a badass deal for you here, pretty sure. Alrighty, guys, it's just what I'm doing right now with the valve body. That's where I'm at. Next, we'll do some drilling, I guess. Yeah, that's going to be interesting right there. We are going to drill and replace this valve. It's going to be awesome. Oversized valve. Making it bigger. It's pretty badass. Yeah, I didn't think I was going to be able to do that at home. All right, guys, hot damn hell yeah, y'all the best. Guess so.